If I ask you when was the last time you turned off your phone, most of us honestly don't even remember, or we don't think it's important. But the truth is, it actually is important. In fact, restarting your phone is one of the most important things you can do to keep it healthy and fast. So, why is so important? Let's go through the reasons together. The first reason is viruses. When your phone gets infected, viruses often run silently in the background. They create unnecessary files, fill up your storage, slow down performance, and even cause overheating. Now, here's where restarting helps. A restart closes all running apps, including the infected processes. It also clears temporary files, which means many viruses that don't have auto-run ability won't restart with your phone. So, if you ever feel like your phone might be infected, here's what you should do. Go to Google Store, and after that tap on your profile picture, tap on Play Protect, and after that hit Scan. If Play Protect finds something, your phone will show you how to remove it. And here is another important point. Always keep your phone updated. Viruses evolve quickly, and system updates are designed to protect you. Just go to Setting. After that, search Update. Tap on Security Updates and install the latest version. Now let's move on the second reason, performance. Every time your phone or even your computer runs, there are dozens of background processes working. Sometimes these processes stop halfway or get stuck. Restarting your phone clears these incomplete processes and gives your system a fresh start, which usually fixes performance issues instantly. That's why I recommend restarting your phone at least once a week. But here's the good news. You don't have to do it manually. You can actually schedule automatic restarts while you're asleep. Just go to Setting, and after that tap on search Restart. Tap on Restart on a schedule. Set the time and your phone will restart automatically when you don't need it. If you don't find this option on your phone, no worries. You can always do it manually once a while. Thanks for staying with me until the end. Two more videos are now on the screen. Check them out as well, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips.